Welcome to StoryTone English. If you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Every day, we practice English together through real-life stories, short dialogues, and easy speaking exercises. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me when I pause. Let's begin today's English speaking practice, Day 6. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Leo. He wanted to speak English fluently, but every time he tried, his mind went blank. He knew many words, but when someone spoke to him, he froze. One day, Leo's teacher told him, "Fluency is not about knowing all the words. It's about using what you already know, every single day." So, Leo started a simple routine. Each morning, he looked in the mirror and said 3 simple sentences. Good morning. I feel confident today. I will speak English no matter what. At first, it felt funny. He even laughed at himself. But after 1 week, he started to notice something. His voice became stronger. After 2 weeks, he started speaking small sentences with friends. After 1 month, he could share his thoughts without fear. That's the power of daily practice. Now, let's practice together. Listen and repeat after me. I believe I can speak English. Every day, I'm getting better. Mistakes help me learn faster. I don't wait for the perfect time. I start now. I can talk with anyone in English. My confidence is growing every day. Excellent! Keep going. Your voice is powerful. Now let's learn a short conversation. Repeat after me slowly. A. Hi, how's your day going? B. Pretty good. I'm practicing my English. Oh, really? How often do you practice? B. Every single day. Even small steps matter. A. That's great. You're improving fast. B. Thank you. Practice makes me confident. Now repeat again with emotion. Smile when you speak, because speaking English with emotion helps your pronunciation sound natural. Leo didn't become fluent in 1 day. He practiced daily, even when he was tired or busy. He learned that English is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Sometimes he failed, sometimes he forgot words, but he never stopped. He spoke a little every day, and that's what changed everything. Remember this: you don't need perfect grammar to speak English. You just need courage to start and patience to continue. Here's your task for today. After watching this video, talk for 2 minutes about your morning routine in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Record your voice. Listen to it. Tomorrow, talk about your favorite food or your hobbies. This is how you build confidence, 1 day at a time. You did a great job today. Remember, every small effort adds up. If you keep going, 1 day you'll speak English naturally and confidently. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to StoryTone English, and click the bell icon to get daily English practice lessons. See you tomorrow in Day 07. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep shining.